Okay, so please excuse recording in the closet. That's basically the only quiet space in the whole house. So I do apologize. But if you have if your mobile device has an AMOLED display or OLED display, basically all Samsungs, even I think the new iPhones have AMOLED. I know iPads, the new ones, the Pros have them. But if you have a Samsung phone, tablet, even their computers, if you have an AMOLED display, whatever it is, even a TV, I'm gonna start this like basically a link, wallpaper link. I was trying to think of a good way to describe it. Basically, I'm going to have a huge collection of not only some of my favorite wallpapers, but just really cool, colorful designs that look awesome on AMOLED displays. If you go down into the description, I'm going to have a link. Now it goes to a Google Photos backup of a lot of a AMOLED wallpaper folder that I have on my device. But every now and then, whenever I see a cool wallpaper, real colorful one, cool design, I'll save it into this folder, and then it automatically will upload to this shared folder, and the link will be in the description. Now, I don't believe it will allow you to add photos yourself or comment or like the wallpaper or the items, but you can download it. I believe there's a download link. If you have an Android device, try long pressing. If you find a wallpaper you like, try to long press it and see if a pop-up menu appears. Same thing on iPhone. Or what you can do is if you see one that you like, select it and it'll appear bigger, and then just simply take a screenshot. I saved the settings in this wallpaper shared folder to a high resolution and or the original resolution of the photo, so it doesn't, because by default Google Photos compresses the photo and essentially makes it less quality. So this will be original quality. A lot of them are 4K. Not all of them, but most of them are 4K. Really cool. I think I have like 200 of them so far. So what you can do is click the link in the description, and I'm gonna show y'all some here real quick. I'm gonna post a link in the description, and click it, and then you can, I believe, follow the album. I believe is what it said. Hold on, let me pause this and let me show y'all some of them real quick. All right, we are in, okay, there we are. Okay, so here's the folder. Once you touch the link in the description, it's going to pull you to this file right here. Now, again, I'm going to add to it. So please, over as time goes on, there's going to be more and more and more wallpaper. And some of these are cool. Some of them are made for phones, basically an up and down. As you can tell, this one on the very left. And then some of these are for tablet and or PC, being a 16:9 ratio, which YouTube has, which is the one on the very right, this one right here. Just really, really cool, vivid colors that are perfect for AMOLED screens. I just pulled these out of the blue. I have another folder. I'm gonna go through, and actually I have a bunch with thousands of wallpapers. But I'm gonna pull the ones that I think look cool. And you never know, in the future, I might open it up to allow y'all, the subscribers and or viewers, if you want to add to these wallpapers, I might open the link. But just, for reasons, if a bad photo gets uploaded, I don't want to be obviously responsible, but you get the idea. But I'm going to continue to add to these. Like I'm going to take like this one on the far right, I'm going to take that out. And then this podcast art, I'm going to take that out. But most of this stuff, now, some of these are from actual devices like OnePlus And some of these are not. See, I gotta remove a couple of these, but some of these are like this one right here. Is it gonna work? It'll work. It just has to load. I just uploaded these, so the cache is not there on these photos, on the moving wallpapers. It literally just uploaded, so it'll work for you. These are what do you call it? Animation lock screen stuff. But as you can tell, that one's for tablet, PC. You know, there we go. That one will work now. Still loading. But anyways, I'm gonna link this in the description, and I got about 200 of them, and you'll definitely enjoy these. Like I said, some of them are factory wallpapers, some of them are not. So I'm gonna continue to add to these. Some of these are really cool, and they look really good if you have an AMOLED screen. And you can you know what? Let me show you how to download it onto your device. So let's say you like this one, right? Let me move this right here. Okay. So what you'll do is once you find a photo or wallpaper that you like, simply select it like that one. And then what we're going to do is, now this is for Android. iPhone, I think it's fairly similar. You're going to touch the three-dot menu on the top right, and then you'll have a list of options and features. Now, this is already on my device, so it's not going to show. If it's not on your device, like say you're just viewing these for the first time, where it has these lists of things to do, you can either see where it says use as. You can either hit that and use it as your wallpaper, or there will be a download option in the mix in there. It just doesn't show it on mine right now because it's already on my device. So you'll have a download option right there. And yeah, there's a ton of them. So go through them. I'm going to add to these. I think there's about 200 right now. So see, those are super cool. So definitely enjoy those. And we will continue to make a AMOLED wallpaper cloud file storage folder, I guess I should say. So, all right, y'all, take care. Enjoy. Oh, make sure you click the link, subscribe, like the video, but definitely check it out. Pull some of these. You'll definitely enjoy them.